It's Bonnie. Happy Tuesday. Oh my goodness, you guys. I got my Star Wars Christmas sweater on. I got my Santa hat because look what I got. I got the Bath and Body Works huge Christmas train. This thing weighs a ton, I gotta say. So I went into Bath and Body Works today and I'm going to put a screenshot up. Oh my goodness, you guys. You're not going to believe all of the Christmas stuff. I actually was shocked. Where did my screenshot go? Here it is, I think. So much stuff. I cannot believe that they set such a huge Christmas display this early in the season. I think this is probably, I don't know, I gotta look back. Maybe I'm just imagining things, but it feels really early. There are literally Christmas trees all over the White Barn. Christmas candles, everywhere. We got the new set of Christmas candles: raspberry thumbprint, Merry Cookie, peppermint sugar cookie. Those are out. No candle sale. No candle sale going on today. Of all days, they launched the Christmas stuff. There is literally no candle sale today, which is a total bummer. The only thing we did have, and I actually have, I gotta grab these. I have them. I'm like all confused today. I gotta talk about the train. I gotta talk about the Christmas display. Okay, we're gonna pull this out. So I did get two single wicks, which I didn't think I was gonna get, but I was like, they were $5.95. I got the Fresh Balsam. These are cute, I gotta say. I always do that. I always say I'm never gonna buy another single wick, and then what comes home with me? These cute little single wicks. So I got Fresh Balsam, and I got Merry Cookie, which is adorable, I gotta say. This would look cute if you're like giving someone cookies. Gosh, that smells so good. So yeah, I got these two. And then I also got my Luminous perfume replaced. We're going to talk about that a little bit later. But I know everyone's like, show the train, Bonnie, show the train. Okay, so the big candle holder for this year, and this might only be one big candle holder. I don't know what else is coming, but it's the train. I gotta light this thing up. I'm gonna do a full demo on this. I gotta get the batteries in this thing. Let me see if I can put my elbows on my desk so you guys can see a close-up, because this thing is heavy. This is about as heavy as one of the haunted houses. So my husband loves trains, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I've got to get this train. So this is what it looks like. The front is absolutely gorgeous, and there is a light up element to it. And this is what the back looks like. This thing weighs a ton, seriously. The bad thing about the train is the price tag, and I didn't have a 20% off coupon. I was like, oh my gosh, why don't I have a coupon today? I had a coupon yesterday, but I didn't know the train was coming this early, so I took one for the team. I'm like, I'm doing it. So here's where the candle goes. I've got the vanilla, what is that, the pistachio one? It's not called pistachio, though. It is, oh yeah, pistachio toasted vanilla. I was like, what is that one called? It looks really nice with the metallic candle. So this is where the candle goes in, like, I don't know, this isn't like a caboose, it's an engine. So it goes in the engine compartment, the candle, and then this lights up. So I'm actually going to do a big video a little bit later where I light this thing up. It's funny because the top where the chimney is here, I think the light probably shines up through here, but it feels like it's pretty well put together. I got the box. So my store only had, I think, 2, maybe 3 of these. I'm kind of wondering what's going to happen with these, because my guess is that they're going to sell out very quickly. They're probably already up on Mercari, if I had my guess. I have a feeling these are going to sell out really quickly. And are we going to get a restock? I have no idea, honestly. We never got the haunted carriage back. It's funny because, you know me, I'm totally into Halloween, and I usually like a couple of the Christmas pieces. Land of Sweets was good. Remember we had like those cardboard thingies? I don't know. They look like almost like gingerbread houses, but they were pink and blue. I love those. Those are so cute. I loved the Christmas tree with the little light bulbs on it. That was so cute and retro. But I feel like this is the biggest Christmas piece we've had since we haven't had a Christmas luminary lately. I think since Land of Sweets. I wonder if that was like the last Christmas luminary. And I'm like, I am totally getting this piece. I know I splurged. I'm like, I want this piece so bad. So, oh my gosh, I wasn't expecting to get this far immersed into Christmas this early. Oh my, like it's October 3rd. But it was worth it. I'm loving this thing. I'm so happy. This is going to definitely go in my Christmas display. Now I'm like wanting to put my Christmas tree up. I'm like all into Christmas. We're keeping Halloween up for a while, you guys. We're doing it. It's Halloween season. We're going to get into some Halloween stuff at some point. Actually, I did a Halloween video today. I did my my spider. I might do another one later. I don't know. I got to figure out what I'm doing. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think of the train. Are you getting it? I don't know. It's beautiful. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.